morning, everyone. Once again, we are now in Science 4, Quarter 1, Week 3 to 4. Our Lesson 2 for today, describe the changes in properties of solid when mixed with other solid materials. Have fun! So before we begin, we have to understand what is the meaning of mixture. When two or more materials are combined, that is when a mixture is formed. Solid materials can be mixed or combined with other solid materials. Mixed materials can be classified depending on the appearance of the resulting mixture. So, ang mixture, pag meron kayong pinaghalong dalawa or mas marami pang mga ingredients o mga bagay, ang tawag na doon ay mixture. Let's understand the two types of mixture. Okay, look closely to my presentation. When a mixture is easily identified or distinguished by one another, it is called heterogeneous. So in this mixture, we can easily identify the rice grain from the corn grit. So tatandaan nyo na pag ang mixture, nakikilala nyo pa or you can still identify yung mga laman sa loob. For example, dyan sa ating presentation, may laman yung corn grits, yung mais, at merong bigas dyan, rice grain. I can still identify it because look at the color. Diba? Magkaiba siya. Unang-una, and then the shapes. So, ang mixture na yan is heterogeneous. Okay, let's move to another type of mixture. Tingnan na mabuti. Look at my presentation. When a mixture with other solid materials cannot be identified or I cannot distinguish from one another, it is called homogeneous. In this mixture, we cannot identify the sugar from the salt. So, although yung laman ng ating plastic cup ay may sugar and salt, because of the color or the shape na masyadong malapit sa isa't isa yung shape nila, we cannot identify which one is the sugar or alin dyan yung salt. Kaya sa bahay nyo, di ba nakakalito? Pag hindi na nilagyan ng label, minsan nalilito si mama or kayo mismo, alin ba doon ang sugar and the salt. Kasi yung properties nila, or look at the properties, pareha silang white. Almost the same ang kanilang shape. So, tatandaan nyo, pag ang mixture o yung mga pinaghalong mga bagay sa isang container ay hindi nyo na makilala yung nasa loob. Hindi nyo na makikita kung alin dyan yung isa sa isa. Ang tawag dyan sa mixture na yan is homogeneous. Let's do some experiments. So, magkakaroon kayo ng experiment dyan sa bahay nyo, pero make sure na yung mga gamit na yan ay available at hindi na marami dyan sa bahay nyo. Pag kulang or hindi or kailangan sa bahay, huwag niyo nang gamitin. So, kahit na siguro dalawang mixture lang ang magawa niyo, pwede na. So, ano-ano ba yung kailangan natin? So, kailangan natin ng tablespoon. Okay, kailangan niyo ng kutsara. And then, you also need 10 plastic cups kasi dyan yung paglalagyan ng inyong mga mixture. So, again, ulitin ko, kung hindi available ang materials, do not perform it. Kung ano lang ang meron sa bahay, you can do it. Okay, ano ba yung mga gagamitin? So, ano yung unang inimix? Mimix nyo sa isang cup, sa plastic cup, ang 1 tablespoon of sand, buhangin, and 1 tablespoon of pebbles. Hahaluin yun. Next, another plastic cup, 1 tablespoon of instant coffee, yung mga 3-in-1, and then 1 tablespoon of creamer, yung hinahalo sa kape. Next, another cup, lalagay nyo naman ng 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of iodized salt. Hahaluin ulit. Next, 1 tablespoon of powder detergent, yung mga Tide, yung mga Ariel, yan. Kung hindi ginagamit ni nanay, 1 tablespoon lang. And then 1 tablespoon of iodized salt. Imimix niyo uli yan, mix together. Next, another plastic cup, ang ilalagay nyo ay 1 tablespoon of rice grain and 1 tablespoon of corn grits. Yan. Bigas. And then sa isa naman is yung mais. Next again, plastic cup, ihahalo uli yung 1 tablespoon of salt, asin, and 1 tablespoon of peppercorn or yung inyong pamintang buo. Mix nyo uli yun. Next, another plastic cup, lalagay nyo yung 1 tablespoon of salt, asin uli, and then 1 tablespoon of bechin. Mix together uli yan. Next, 1 tablespoon of flour, harina. Then, ang ihahalo nyo doon ay 1 tablespoon of baby powder, yung Johnson, pwede na yun. Imi-mix nyo ulit. And then, the last one is 4 pieces of paper clips. And then, hahaluan nyo ng staple wire or bala ng stapler. So, bago niyo i-perform yan, make sure na may cover ang table or placemat para hindi maging messy ang area. Again, I will repeat. Ang ipe-perform lang ay yung may mga materials na available sa bahay. Okay, so anong gagawin nyo pag na-mix nyo na together yan? So, kung gagawin nyo lahat yan, magkakaroon kayo ng 10 mixture. So, obserbahan nyo mabuti. Nung minix nyo na, do you still identify the ingredients? Nakikita nyo pa ba yung dalawang materials na pinaghalo nyo? Or hindi nyo na na-identify kung alin doon yung isa sa isa? So, tingnan ng mabuti. Doon nyo i-apply yung homogeneous and heterogeneous. Again, pag heterogeneous, the materials or the mixture should be identified. Kailangan nakikilala niyo pa yung materials sa loob. Pag homogeneous, hindi nyo na siya ma-identify. Hindi nyo na makilala. Alin ba dito yung ano? Huwag nyo titikman mga anak ha. Do not taste it. Lalo na kung hindi naman yan ginagamit sa cooking. Okay, get ready. Please pakilagyan ng homogeneous or heterogeneous ang inyong mga cup. Thank you. Okay, now let's know if you understand homogeneous and heterogeneous material. So after performing the experiment, so nakita niyo na yung mga mixture na na-identify and mixture na hindi na na-identify. So, to push through within this presentation, makikita natin kung naintindihan niyo talaga yung mga materials na heterogeneous and homogeneous. Okay. Answer only. You have to write on your paper or on your notebook the word homogeneous and heterogeneous. Okay, number 1. Sand and pebbles. Homogeneous or heterogeneous? Next, number 2. Instant coffee and creamer. Homogeneous or heterogeneous? Next, number 3. Iodized salt and sugar. Homogeneous or heterogeneous? Number 4. Paperclip and staple wire. Homogeneous or heterogeneous? Next, number 5. Detergent powder and iodized salt. Homogeneous or heterogeneous? Next number 5. Rice grain and corn grits. Heterogeneous or homogeneous? Number 7. Rock salt and peppercorn. Homogeneous or heterogeneous? Next, number 8. Cornstarch and creamer. Homogeneous or heterogeneous? Next, number 9. Iodized salt and betchin. Homogeneous or heterogeneous? Last number 10. Baby powder and flour. Homogeneous or heterogeneous? Go! Finished, children? So before you check your answer with your advisor, always remember that the properties of each solid material, when they are mixed together, do not change. Hindi sila magbabago, yung mga solid kahit i-mix together. The size, the shape, and the color of each solid materials will remain the same even after mixing. So, pag pinaghalo niyo yung dalawang solid, you mix it together, the properties are the same. Walang magbabago. So, remember that. Good luck. Thank you. Hope you are done, children. Go check your answer with your advisor. Good luck. Let's keep learning. Thank you. God bless and keep safe. If you enjoy this video lesson, please like, share, and subscribe.